In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, launch Settings and tap on Notifications. Now, select App Notifications over here and click on this icon right under App Notifications to sort your apps by most recent notifications ones, most frequent, all apps on your tablet, or apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to apps from which you want to block notifications, and grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip though, I always recommend to tap on your apps on the left, because this way not only you can disable or enable notifications here, but also you can manage all of those features regarding notifications of chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!